Just arrived here at Tameron Gulf Coast. We have this 2017 Toyota Tacoma TRD pickup. On the exterior of this Tacoma, we have projector-beam headlights, rear sliding privacy glass, and a rear backup camera system. Inside, you'll find easy-to-clean cloth seating for 5, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and push-to-start technology. The 7-inch touchscreen display is preloaded with navigation and has Bluetooth technology to keep you connected. This one-owner 2017 Toyota Tacoma has less than 76,000 miles, and it comes with the AutoCheck buyback protection. Give Tameron Gulf Coast a call today at 251-626-2641, or you can visit us anytime on the web at www.tamerongulfcoast.com for more information.